our full station rotary machine, and you can have a look. If you want to heat transfer on the t-shirts, then it's really a good choice. And now I will show you how to operate this rotary machine. And if you like it, you can come to our live stream, and then I will show you more details of our rotary machine. And thank you for your when we turn on this machine, and now here we can set the temperature. Just press this and set the temperature to be 180 degrees centigrade, and then press OK. Then we can set the temperature. And now here is the time of stay. We can on the t-shirt, and then we can set it to 5 seconds, and then okay, and then press OK. And must remember to press the heating button. And here you can choose the direction. You can choose clockwise or counterclockwise. Yes, it's better to choose clockwise. And now I will show you how to operate this heat press. Okay. Hello, James. Welcome to our live stream. Now you can see the rotary machine. Okay. Rotary machine. Yes. And now I will operate it. Now I want to adjust it to auto tap, and then we can start. Okay. And then this machine will rotate automatically, and the heating pad heat press automatically. Okay. Now I will show you. Yes, this machine can rotate automatically. It's really very good option if you want to heat transfer on the t-shirt. It's really a good choice. Okay, now this time I will choose it to manual. I will adjust it to manual tab. Press this button, and then it will rotate and heat press on the t-shirt. If you are interested, you can come to our live stream. And when you choose manual, you can also use this foot. And then when you get the pressure, and then this heat press will rotate automatically. It's really very convenient. And then, okay, when you want to rotate, just click it. And the heating pad will heat press on the t-shirt automatically. Okay, next time I will introduce other machines to you. 别的朋友看到。This is our full station rotary heat press machine, and we have many technicians, and this is our warehouse. We have many kinds of heat press machines, and when you want to heat press on the t-shirt, then you can contact me, and I will show you more details of our machines. We have all kinds of heat press machines, and this is our popular heat press full station automatic heat press machine. Yes, and here you can choose. You can also choose the language. We have English and Chinese for your options. We have so many, and this is our double heating head. Thank you for your like. Yes, thank you for your watching. And we have all kinds of heat press machine. So if you are interested, you can leave me message. I will show you more details. And this is our double heating head rotary machine, and it's also full station heat press. In our warehouse, we have so many. We have so many and all kinds of heat press machine. So if you are interested, it's really a good option to contact me, and don't hesitate. We will show you the details of the heat press machine, and we have professional technicians. Just as you can see, when you meet any problem, our technician will help you, and we can remote to install this heat press for you. And when you meet any problem, you can tell us, and we can solve the problem for you very fast. And here there is 4-station heat press, and you can choose the size of the station. The normal size is 40 by 50 centimeters and 40 by 60 centimeters. And we put 2 mats here on the station. The first is silicone mat, the second is sponge mat, and they are very strong. So that you can get very fast heating on the t-shirt. Yes, and we also have technicians. When you meet any problem, you can tell us. We use good quality accessories. As you can see, all the accessories are very good, and we provide you 1-year warranty. When you meet any problem with accessories, we can send you some free accessories, the extra parts of the heat press. So don't worry about the quality. We have good service after sales, and when you meet any problem, we can help you to solve it. Okay, now let's see how to operate it again. Here is the temperature set. You can set the temperature here. We usually set it to 180 degrees centigrade. And time of stay, that means when the heating head heat press on one t-shirt, and how many seconds it should stay. We usually set it to 3 seconds. And here is the time to heat press on the t-shirt. We set it to 5 seconds. And we have 2 modes to choose. You can choose auto or manual. Okay. Now I will show you how to operate when we choose the auto. Yes, when you choose the auto mode, and then you can press the start button. And as you can see, this machine will rotate, and the heating head heat press automatically. It's really very easy to operate. Yes. As you can see, we set a time of 3 seconds, so it will stay 3 seconds and then rotate again. It's really very easy to operate. Just 3 seconds, and the time to heat press on the t-shirt is 5. Choose it to manual mode. Okay, now this time I choose it to manual, and then I will show you again. When you choose manual, you can press this green button, and then this machine will rotate, and heat press on t-shirt automatically, always. Okay, this time you can use this button to control this heat press, like this. When you click this button, and then this heat press will rotate automatically, and the heat price on the t-shirt. Okay, again. Okay, if you are interested, you can leave me message. I will show you more details. Now I will show you next heat press machine. It's our double station pneumatic heat press, and if you just start to use the heat press for t-shirt printing, and you want to have a small heat press, then we will recommend you to use this double station heat press. Here's our pneumatic double station heat press machine. And now I will operate it. Okay, this is a power switch. You can press it and to get it turned on. And now I will set this is the temperature, and here is the timer. Okay, set. And then set the. Okay, you can long press this button to make the temperature to be 130 degrees centigrade, and then next, this is the temp. Okay, this is the temp. We set it to 8 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds when you set it, just long press this button and confirm the temperature and the temp. And now I will start to heat press it. Now I will use the auto tap. Okay, and then yes, when it's at the about the plate, and then this machine will heat press on the t-shirt automatically. And now it's very easy to move it between these two stations. And when it's out at the press position, it will heat press on the t-shirt automatically. Yes, we use the auto tap. And next, I will show you how to use the manual tap. We just adjust it to manual. And then when we press this green button, it will heat press on the t-shirt. Okay, like this. And when the t-shirt, then you can tell me. I will introduce more details for you. And we always use good accessories with the machine. So if you are interested, then I can show you more details. Here are our warehouse, and we have all kinds of heat press machine. Now I will show you the roller machine heat press. If you want to print on a big size cloth, this is better to choose this kind of roller-to-roller machine. And if you are interested, you want to heat transfer on big size cloth, then you can come to our live stream and see the details of this heat press. Live stream. Yeah. This is the roller machine. If you want to heat transfer on the big size cloth, then it's really a good option to choose this kind of roller machine. And we have all kinds of roller machine. You can choose the diameter of 20 centimeters, or this is 60 centimeters. It has big size, and width you can also customize. We have many options for you. And if you are interested, you can leave me a message, and then we can show you more details. We have all kinds of roller machine for the big size heat transfer, and it's really a good option, heat transfer on the t-shirt or other big size clothes, then we can help you. We can give you many options, and you can get all kinds of heat press machine from our factory. Okay, in stock. And if you have any demand, you can tell us. We can customize for you. And this is our drawer, big size heat press machine.